That's how much it said?
That's it. We're going for 2 hours. Outside of it.
500.
You want to pay $25.
That's not even.